Hello and warm welcome to our special program, Current Affairs. Recently, thousands of people protested in Mauritius on the issue of handling of the oil spill by the government. This protest is being called one of the major protests the Iceland nation has seen in recent years. This spill has damaged the southeast coast of the country. After the incidents of a spill, approximately 39 dead dolphins washed up on the seashore. It is suspected that they could have died because of oil spill. In today's current affairs program, we will know that how has the incident taken place, how big is the catastrophe, impact of the oil spill on the Mauritius. Apart from this, we will also discuss the efforts of the government of Mauritius to deal with the oil spill, few other incidents of major oil spills of the world and extent of hazardousness of the incident. Lastly, we will tell you about India's assistance to Mauritius. So let's start with first question. How has the incident taken place? In late July, a Japanese ship namely MV Wakashio struck a coral reef resulting in an oil spill of over 1,000 tons into the Indian Ocean. The ship was carrying an estimated 4,000 tons of oil. The ship is owned by the Nagasaki Shipping and operated by Mitsui O.S.K. Lines Limited. Now if you take a look how big the catastrophe is, experts opine that rather than the size of the oil spill, it was the area where it took place which was a matter of concern. This accident had happened near two environmentally protected marine ecosystems and the Blue Bay Marine Park Reserve, which is a wetland of global significance. Talking about impact of oil spill on Mauritius, the country is already battling with the COVID-19 pandemic. The oil spill has further aggravated the situation. It has been a big blow to the country that heavily depends on tourism. Apart from that, it has left a 15-kilometer span of the coastline that is recognized as a biodiversity hotspot engulfed by the oil spill. Now, if we discuss the efforts of the government to deal with the oil spill, there are allegations that the government is not capable of dealing with such a big calamity. Therefore, experts arrived from the countries like France, Japan, and the UK. Also, a team was sent by the UN to deal with the oil spill. At present, these experts are preparing a plan to clean the coastline properly. Let us look at some of the world's other largest oil spills. It includes the Persian Gulf War oil spill of 1991. In this accident, more than 380 million gallons of the oil was poured into the northern Persian Gulf by the Iraq's forces. The 2010 Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico was one of the largest known oil spills. In this accident, over 4 million barrels of oil flowed over a period of 87 days into the Gulf of Mexico. According to a study, the 2010 oil spill led to widespread shoreline loss along the heavily oiled areas along the coast of Louisiana. Now question arises, how are oil spills hazardous? Actually, oil spills affects marine life by exposing them to harmful chemicals and destroying their food sources and habitat. Moreover, as a result of oil spills, both birds and mammals can die from hypothermia. Oil destroys the insulating ability of fur-bearing mammals like sea otters. It also lessens the water repellency of birds' feathers, without which they lost their capability to repel cold water. At the end of the program, if we tell you about India's assistance to Mauritius, then under its Indian Ocean Region outreach, India has sent over 30 tons of technical tools and materials to help Mauritius' ongoing oil spills containment and salvage efforts. The Indian government has taken this step under its extended neighborhood policy. Actually, the government of Mauritius had requested for assistance in dealing with this environmental crisis. Earlier, the Indian government also assisted Mauritius in its fights against the COVID-19 pandemic. This included supply of essential medicines, a special consignment of Ayurvedic medicines, and a medical assistant team sent as a part of Mission Sagar.